Alright, so we're just blowing off some smoke, we just got it going. But that is blowing hot air out of there. And pretty quiet. That's all the control. So we'll figure that out in a little bit, but we got the pump primed and yeah, got the door cracked. Obviously we're getting a little bit of smoke from the diesel. I gotta get a longer exhaust for the diesel, but I got it all underneath here. So we're gonna have the diesel pipes right here. I gotta put the muffler on and whatnot. But yeah, it's just burning off all the excess. I'll have the heater come out through here and go out that way. But everything's underneath. Got the diesel pump right there. You can kind of hear a click from down here. But it's primed and it's running. I think it's going to be pretty good. But yeah, at least we've got heat inside the cab now. Well, that's toasty. That's really warm actually. Let's see what it is with the old trusty Ryobi. Okay, so it's 44 degrees on the rubber mat. Oh, the 57. Like 80 degrees in the box already. So should get us nice and warm once it's warmed up and running. And it also has a remote. I don't know how that works yet. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if the remote's working yet. Yeah, that's it. Pretty sweet install, and smoke's about cleared up now, so. Yep.